tuna kan en mek hi Africa rama voodoo dolls lar tak mai ania Africa rama chuan an rindanin tharau chu bu pol kor haystack anti chunga hian alu tani han ring ti chuan he haystack hi amain achesona atan kuala alam boka heng thil maksak tak tak te hi ama hian ativek the ni thilmak deuh mai chu achunga hian mishing an omlo shim shim ani tu hnai deuh khan iso speed Khawvela streamer lar berte zinga mi chu helai hmuna hian akala vane thlak tak mai in haystack chunga hian heng thil chi ange omti fin fia theina hun ram chang tak mai ani ta ni
Spirits in there.
Ichuan tuna kan en mek hi kan soi mek chuni ta a chunga hian mi tu ma anom lo shim shim ani
What the? Yo! What's this? Wait, they all moving.
Oh, there's actually something in it.
They all moving. Chat, is somebody in there? If somebody's in there. What the heck? Wait, how is this moving? How are these moving? These robots? They're spirits? What the hell? Oh my gosh! What the? Yo! How is that's the spirit of death! Hey, chill out! Chill out! Chill out! Spirit of death! Spirit of death, I'm sorry! Spirit of death, I'm sorry! Oh, hell! Oh, hell no! That's no, no! Move!
ama hian a cheson top maya iso speed po hian mak atiin angai na a shelo hle ani ama hian alama a cheson bok documentary pakhat joy hatap ati chua heng thilvel hi chiang takin ahonga khwa chuan kalin hun ahman puya in an hun man dan te po atar lang tel boka ani po hian haystack hi hong turin atia achunga thil om dan hi en chiana jil chiana tumani
Literally empty. There is no electronic devices or whatsoever. It's completely empty. He makes sure that he's checking it.
Collecting tips.
And it also collects money.
tu jing nge lo thunun ti te ria chiana du bok pute chi en le taila achunga hian eng thilma aum lo shim shim ani chudi rualin hashtag bula hian poisa ero an la khom chen thung tin helo po hi clip dang aum le a voodoo boru ka thok lai alandan bera chuan tharau sual na tho ni in alangani clip hi en le taila tiang hian amak khop maya he voodoo po hi a thok kual na sakhop mai tin mi chen khat voodoo lampang thila in hnam hnoi po anom le tho bok an practice mai pi lama hian tharau nen in zom na po an nei ni na lang me che pakhat super bowl mi chuan black magic chu player pakhat laka ti atum ni na langa player number hi sompanga ane
You know, the number 15. Look at that stuff. So this is what people literally do. They do black magic on people, and that's just
he hi black magic midang te laka anti chin dan chu nia ilong mu to mai thei bok hetiang hian mi tam tak chuanin an hmel ma te po doi mangin an doi china boina na sata kan tok china ni heng thil laka him theina om chunia lang chu Christian ring tu thatak ni chawin ani mel heng thil te hi aum tak tak bok tuna hian clip dang kan en le lok to na ni.
It literally jumps over him and does this thing. That's just crazy. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's standing straight up, dude. I honestly
Kanin takang khan khel sang sang he voodoo hian a perform boka achunga te azung kai thei bok amak khup mai an soi dan chuan zu an hmuma heng no telema te hian an cha khum thina ti chuan voodoo hi hashtag hian an khule ta thina amain a cheson thinin an soi ni.
moving on its own.
In Africa, there
Look
is
at
a
this.
lot of witchcraft. I say that the macumba here in Brazil is weak. The sorcerers of Brazil are weak. The sorcerers
So
of
they
Brazil
covered it?
in Africa.
Chu wangin heng voodoo lampang thili chu nai lovila kantan that ber arin omani tharau sul lampang thilania ring tu te tan chuan nai lo a him ber ome.
In addition,
Ti chuan Africa rama voodoo chungchang kan handaran takhi ngai dan ine karinga engchin nge he voodoo hi ti chia irin le tharau sual na tho niin ingai ve em ingai dan dik tak women section lama milo shetir ve do nia tu tumatan chuan khati zong khani e